All right, it feels like we're creeping back up there a little bit in temperatures. We had some nice days, though, over the past few days, Gina.
Yeah, we did, making it back up to the triple digits today, but a dry and warm day. We have a nice picture to show you. This was taken by our very own Bob Richardson earlier this afternoon over on the east side. A lovely rainbow, and we did have a very nice evening as well. A beautiful sunset indeed. So I know we haven't seen the rain just yet, but definitely enjoy these nice dry evenings and warm evenings at that. Taking a look at some of our high temperatures, well, triple digits returning for southern Arizona, 105 in Phoenix, 104 in Gila Bend, 90 for Prescott, and low to mid 80s for the rest of the northern portion of the state, but cooling down about 8 to 10 degrees here at about 9:25 at night, 95 in Gila Bend, 97 in Phoenix, low to mid 70s, Kingman at 76 and Prescott 76 as well, and a nice cool 66 in Flagstaff. It's 94 at the airport. Winds coming in from the north-northwest at about 6 miles per hour, and the dew point is up quite a bit. So that's good news as we anxiously await the rain. And our high and low temperatures today, well, pretty average for this time of year. 102 was that high temperature, and our low early this morning at 73. So across the country, still looking at low to mid 90s across the southern plains. 81 today in Kansas City, and warm weather again in the Midwest. 90 in Chicago. Looking at some 80s and 90s in the southeast, and the real hot spot in the state, well, in the country, excuse me, is up in the northeast. We are looking at triple digit temperatures, a heat advisory definitely in effect. 102 today in Washington, D.C., 103 in New York City, and 100 in Boston. So yes, these temperatures definitely well above average, and we are seeing some record-breaking numbers. But into tomorrow, we do have some cooler air from the Atlantic that is expected to roll in and cool them down about 5 to 7 degrees and get them a little bit back down to more average temperatures, and I'm sure they're definitely looking forward to that. We are looking at some rain across the central plains and down into the southern plains as well. South Dakota seeing a good bit of rainfall tonight, and that rain is extending down into portions of Nebraska and Colorado. And Colorado actually seeing some of the most severe weather, seeing a lot of strong winds, a lot of rain, and the possibility for an isolated tornado or two through the evening hours. But really across the northwest down into the southwest, dry and warm conditions remain. A little bit of spotty rain across central California and into Nevada, but otherwise very, very clear, calm conditions expected for us here in Arizona. Expect the dry and warm conditions to continue through tomorrow and into Thursday, but we do have some moisture that's starting to build, moving in from the east and pushing westward, and as it does, well, that means our chance for rain is going to increase. So by the end of the week, it looks like we could see a shower and maybe some significant rainfall into the weekend. So that's definitely some good news for us. Tonight's lows, mid-60s to low 70s across southern Arizona, and tomorrow afternoon we'll be looking at some low triple digits again. Wednesday afternoon's high expected to be about 101, and it looks like the good news is we will stay at temperatures in the low 100s as we anxiously await for the rain to get here, Lou. I know we keep waiting, but moisture is definitely building, and even though temperatures are down just a little bit, it definitely feels hot, and that's because we have the humidity building.
Yeah, you can feel it even when it's a little bit, yeah.
It's getting closer.
All right, thanks, Gina. Still to come, stock up on your forever stamps. The Postal Service is looking